What's up, y'all? It's your girl Tracy. It's your girl Tracy. It's your girl Tracy. It's your girl Tracy. Get straight to the point. Feeling like my robe gives me like I'm ready to go boxing. Like, you know how they put the thing over the boxer? All right, you guys, I went ahead and did my eyebrows because my eyebrows takes like 3 years to get done. So look how we looking. Use my primer. Like I said before in my last video, like many people use different primers. I use e.l.f. It's really good. I'm just go ahead and apply some on my fingers. And it does come out like this. And you don't need much either. So honey, don't be trying to lotion your face. No, because you don't need that much. It's light and it's very good. It's super good. It does feel like a lotion kind of like, but yeah. So, all right, I'm gonna go ahead and now I did notice when I did go to Sephora, now I had got the 420 when I wear the 410. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna try out the 420. I went ahead and damped my sponge. So now I'm gonna go ahead and use my 420. All right, and then we're gonna go ahead with now I'm gonna go ahead and use the 410 as my concealer. Num num num. And then we're gonna go ahead with your sponge and dab. Check me out. Check me out, y'all. You see me? Now this looks amazing. This looks good. I am contouring with the Fenty Espresso contouring stick. So I'm gonna go ahead and take my blending brush and blend it out. This is contouring with foundation on. Okay, next I'm gonna get my setting powder. So you're gonna let this sit for 5 minutes, right? And you're just gonna wipe off the excess very gently.